The majority of Jamaicans want to remove the Queen as head of state. That was revealed through the latest RJR Gleaner Don Anderson poll, which has a margin of error of plus or minus 3%. Now, Andrea Chisholm has been looking at the data and now joins us live. Andrea?
Well, Vashan, 3 days ago, Jamaicans were beaming with pride as the country celebrated 60 years of independence. But some argue that Jamaica will never be truly independent until the Queen of England is removed as head of state. Now, this was Prime Minister Andrew Holness during a courtesy call with British Royal Prince William when he visited Jamaica in March this year.
Jamaica is, as you would see, a country that is very proud of our history, very proud of what we have achieved, and we are moving on. And we intend to attain in short order our development goals and fulfill our true ambitions and destiny as an independent, developed, prosperous country.
So how do Jamaicans feel about the issue? Pollster Don Anderson put the question to 1,113 people during the period July 16 to 26. 56% of respondents said Jamaica should move away from the monarchy. 27% want to keep the Queen as head of state, and 17% were not sure. The data show growing support for Jamaica to sever ties from Britain. In 2012, 44% of respondents wanted to remove the Queen. In 2020, it was 59%. Similarly, in 2012, 40% of respondents wanted to keep the Queen as head of state, but that number has fallen. Now the government is moving full speed ahead with the plans for Jamaica to become a republic. An advisor committee has been set up to work with the Ministry of Legal and Constitutional Affairs.
It is my intention, in leading the process, to work assiduously to place something before the Parliament, unless, of course, something more pressing happens to overtake for the start of the next session, so that the steps can be taken in time for the next general election.
Now, under the Constitution, Jamaicans will have to vote in a referendum to remove the Queen as head of state. You will recall that in November last year, Barbados became a republic, but the constitutional provisions are different. Citizens of that country did not have to vote on the matter.